Hi, Wesley, the Gizmo Guy here. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your old car radio as smart as a new smartphone. Your old car radio does not come with Bluetooth. So I'm going to show you how you can add Bluetooth to this factory radio without taking the radio out or putting a new head unit or any sort of modification. You'll be using my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. My gadget will allow you to add Bluetooth capability to any old car factory radio. In this case, we have a Dodge Dakota. The Dodge Dakota comes with a CD player and AM/FM, but there's no Bluetooth capability. So I'm going to show you how you can add Bluetooth capability to this old factory radio without any modification or a new head unit. First, you get my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Get my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. This is what my device looks like. On the end, one end, you have for aux and another one for USB. Today we'll be covering the USB part of it. So simply connect this USB part of it to the cigarette charger from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Connect this device to the cigarette charger. That's all you have to do. Now simply set the radio to 87.9 and you're ready to play, cast, stream any music, podcast, news, radio, anything you want to listen to, NPR, sports, Sirius radio even. Anything you want to listen to, you can listen to it from your smartphone through your older car radio. So essentially, my gadget will make your old car as smart as the new car. You can even use voice control such as Siri, Alexa, or even Google to control. Or you can control it manually by using the controller over here. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, so now we're in the radio. We're gonna first turn on the car. You can hear that there's nothing but noise, and we have to set this to 87.9. Set your radio to 87.9. That's it. That's all you have to do. Simply plug in my device and you'll be able to enjoy all the smartphone features and functions from your smartphone through this factory radio. So let me show you. So we connect this to the cigarette charger.
Power on.
And listen.
Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection. Connected.
That's it. That's all you have to do to add Bluetooth function to this older car radio. Now all you have to do is press play. So you can use the controller to control your phone, or you can use voice activation, voice control, such as Siri, Google, or Alexa, to control your phone, and even GPS. So what my gadget will do is my gadget will allow you to make your older car radio as smart as the new car, or as smart as the new smartphone, simply by connecting my device to your car, to your cigarette charger for power, and you're ready to go. You're ready to enjoy all the smartphone features and functions from your smartphone right through any older car factory radio. You do not need a new head unit. You do not need any modification. You do not need to take the radio out. Simply connect my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Connect my device to your cigarette lighter for power, and you're ready to enjoy everything that you want from your smartphone through your older car radio. This includes, you can talk hands-free, you can listen to music, podcasts, news, radio, anything you want to listen to. You can use voice command, and you can even talk hands-free. So this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. You get my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. From GizmoGuyGadgets.com. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Goodbye. Bye-bye.